Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's play with some makeup. The first thing that I'll be using is Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brand, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. The reason why we're playing around with makeup is because it's lockdown, and why not? If you are new to my channel, my name is Gillian with a G, and welcome, and I really hope you enjoy this video. For my eyes, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, the color Fawn, and I'm just blending it in all over my eyelid. I'm going in with my Switch Beauty eye palette, and the color that I'm going in with is 𝒫𝒫𝒫. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid and blend it out. Then I'm going in with the color Iman for a bit of shimmer, a bit of color. Don't want to be all dull. I actually like using my finger too to apply eyeshadow to my eyelid. I feel like it just sticks better with the moisture on my finger. That's just a personal preference. Just using my wet wipe to wipe away any excess that might have fallen, any fallout. For my mascara, I'll be using my Maybelline Colossal 100% black mascara. Then going in with my Essence Lash Princess. I'll be going in with my MAC in the color NC47. As you guys know, I usually spritz my beauty blender with any rose water just to make it easier to blend in my foundation. Making sure to distribute the foundation evenly all over my face. Yes, girl. To highlight, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal the color Fawn, and you'll see I'm just highlighting under my eyes, on my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead. Once again, just spritzing my beauty blender just to blend in my concealer. I make sure that I get as close to the lower lash line as possible, and then I blend down. There we go, just blending away. After blending my concealer, I go in with my Yardley translucent powder. I usually use this powder to bake or set my concealer so it doesn't shift, and I feel like this powder works because it's translucent, so there's no flashback, and it really, for me, it works and I like it, and a little goes a long way. So anyway, where I applied the concealer, I'm just applying the powder so that my concealer can set. While setting my concealer, I go in with my Avon Bronzing Pearls just to snatch a bit of my cheekbone, you know, those natural Tswana cheekbones, just enhancing them a bit. And my forehead. Nose, don't ever forget your nose. I feel like, especially, like, it just gives a bit of that bronzy feeling, and then your nose looks snatched, but it's not a must to do it. Like, it's not, but I like doing it. Going back in with the color 𝒔𝓊𝓈𝒾𝓃𝓃𝓄𝑒, and I'm using that on my lower lash line. As you can see, I usually put it until like the middle of my eye, so from the outer corner to about the middle. And then it just gives a more smudge look and a more look. I don't know how to explain it. It's a look. And then I'm going in with my mascara on my lower lash. Same, I'm still using the Maybelline mascara. After all that is done, I dust off my translucent powder, make sure that everything is set. I like the matte finish that this powder gives, and like I said, it doesn't leave any white residue, so I guess spoke, like I don't look like a ghost. And then this is my Krylon powder. I don't know what color this is. I have quite a lot, so I just use this to set my whole face, my foundation or any spots that might be oily. Oops, that was quite a lot, but a little goes a long way. So I just use that to set my face and any spaces that I feel like it might get oily faster. Going with my Note blush. You guys know that I love this blush. High blush, not low blush, high blush. Then Then I go in with my 𝐵𝓊𝓈𝓾𝓁𝓁 highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. Thank goodness it's not done yet. So I'm going to use it until it's finished. Look at that nice natural glow. Let it glow, honey. Let it glow. So I usually put it on my cheekbones. Yeah, cheekbones. And then I go in on my cupid's bow. And then also, guys, don't ever forget, you guys know how much I like this. I usually use it too on my inner corners of my eyes and then also on my brow bone. Yes, girl. Yes. Living for that. Freaking love it. To set my makeup, I'm using the Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray. This spray, it just sprays weird, I'm not gonna lie. So, and yes, for my lips, I'm using my NYX lip liner in the color Cocoa, just lining my lips. Do not overline my lips because, guys, I've got thick lips. So now I'm not about to overline my thick lips. So I usually just make sure to stay in the perimeter of my lips. There we go. I love this color, guys. And this is the only lip liner that I actually love using. Then I go in with my Hun Skincare Liquid Lipstick. It gives that natural glow and I wanted a natural finish. I freaking love this color, guys. And then this is it. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I love playing with makeup. It is lockdown. I am no pro, but I love having fun. So, yes. Till next time. Bye.